Guys, I am in the workshop and I am putting the barbed wire on the bat. Just a word of warning, do not attempt this project unless you have gloves, you have eye protection, and preferably a long sleeve shirt, long pants, hat, because this barbed wire is a little unruly. The best way I've seen to do this is to drill a hole, a small hole in the bat, crimp the wire into it, and begin to rotate it across. And then if you have any of these, let's see if I can find one here. I think they're carpet tacks. Could be wrong about that, upholstery tacks. Oh, where are you? Well, you can't see it here, but these little guys here. So from time to time, pop one of these in over the wire, pre-drill it so you don't split the bat, and that will secure it. Do the whole thing while having the wire attached to a vise. Makes it really easy to bend and crimp and pull. But if it comes loose, you know, that's on you if you want to do that. This is going to be a replica. This is not to be used as a weapon. This is merely for decoration purposes. So just want to put that out there. Do not attempt this if you're under 18. Do not attempt this if you want to go out and do harm with this item. Okay, guys. Love you. Back at you, and here is a Lucille. Here is our 5-gallon galvanized tub. We've got it filled with Petrobond, not sand. You know, a lot of the copper casting videos on YouTube, they seem to be using sand because it's cheap, right? But I'd like this to turn out well, so I'm using Petrobond, and I think that'll produce a better result. So. All finished. I got the excess stuff out. I went back through and did some poking with this little tool as well to get some bigger elements into the cast. Hopefully I didn't ruin the effect, but it seemed like some of the pinholes were going to be a little too small, so I wanted to add some effect there. So she's all ready. Let's go cast this baby. Okay guys, Louie back with you. We have got the Devil Forge. It's been going for about a half an hour. It is full as near as I dare to fill it with copper wire. The copper wire you have to feed a piece at a time. It is rather time consuming. I think I prefer the shop or the bars. And there's little Lucille. And there is the mold. If I have some excess, we'll go ahead and throw it in this cast iron muffin pan. All right, so let me go get set up, and we'll see what we see, huh? Oh, let's get you a good shot here. Let's see. here it comes. The moment you've been waiting for. All right. New tongs. Jet's Tools on eBay for the tongs. Hopefully these work. It's got just a tad more to go. Get that wire all the way down. Okay guys, we are recording again. We got a little visitor here.
Hi YouTube, how you doing?
Louis Jr. has come to meet us, and let's get to filming, huh? Okay, I am ready. I am ready.
What are you?
You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. 4 hungry children and crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time your hurting won't heal. Uh-oh. A little copper floating on top. Acceptable. Wow. I got the full 3 kilograms in this thing, I gotta tell you.
That's gonna start a fire. That's on fire, dude.
What's on fire?
That just lit on fire and choked.
It's fine.
No, the copper you put in the window.
That's fine. I gotta just get the slag out of here, dudes. Stick with me. This 3 kilogram is full.
Smells like marshmallows.
Okay, good enough. No, don't. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna pour this bat. Say, pour that bat.
Pour that bat. Pour that bat.
Okay, I will.
Do I need to hit you with the bat?
Hold on a second. This is the tricky part. Getting this thing out of here. If it splashes, call 911 immediately.
Ooh, that looks lovely.
Okay, we got to stay close to the ground. Hope you're still there, YouTube. This is epic. Or pitiful. I don't know which. Close.
You said my real name. Oh, we got a bit of over spillage. You can make an extra airplane with that. School bus.
Planes, trains, and automobiles. Okay. Kind of a messy pour, huh?
How does that cool off now?
All right, well, I went outside the lines, guys.
Didn't
My
they
new-
teach you how to do
My new tongs worked good, though. I just didn't pour it 100%. Okay, she's burning. Back out of there. Let's go quench her.
Huh? Oh God.
It's, woo!
Oh no. That's lovely.
It's a fire. Fire in the hole.
Oh, how are you gonna quench it?
Very carefully. Ooh.
That smells good. There's a
Wow.
Sizzle, sizzle, baby.
Uh-oh, it's popping.
Sizzle, crack, crack, boom.
Snap, crack. Oh my God.
What?
Wait, I gotta cool this thing off. You guys gotta see this. It's crazy, dudes.
Oh, that's sick.
It's like a witch's cauldron. Oh, this has got to be like 4 pounds. Okay, can you see it? I had some overspill, but if you can see it, there she is. Let's let her cool off and clean her up. Oh my God. Epic. I'll be back at you, dudes.
That looks cool, man. Dad,